Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to have you again. Welcome and welcome back. Yeah, 2020 has come to an end, and I know it has not been a great year, but I just want to send you this New Year's 2021 greetings with lots of love, and I just hope that God blesses all of you from above, and I just wish you all the best. So today I'm gonna be creating a New Year's Eve makeup look. So stay tuned. Yeah, as you can see, I already have my brows on, so I'm gonna start with concealing them or making them neat with this Pro Concealer. Okay. I'm now done with cleaning up our brows. Next is I'm gonna get my camouflage concealer from Manhattan, and then we prep our base. So now I'm done with preparing my base. I'm gonna get this powder from Alvad, and we are gonna be setting it in place because this concealer creases a lot, so I'm gonna use the powder to stop it from creasing. Okay. I'm gonna start working with these colors here, this one, and this one. Okay, in order like how I've shown them. Okay, first is the black. I'm gonna tap off the excess or dab it off, and then we are gonna put it here. Okay, notice that I'm not starting from the corner this time around. After our black, this is what we have. I'm gonna get our brown, and then I put it on top of the black like that. Okay, working it all down, just putting it into the brown. Okay, into the black. And next is I'm gonna move on to my lightest brown. Okay, and then we put it up. Again, working it into the initial brown that we used, like that. So as you can see, we are done with the three colors: brown, the black. Now I'm gonna get my concealer from Manhattan, and I'm gonna be cutting the crease. So to cut my cut crease, I'm gonna be using this flat brush here. Okay. After our cut crease, I'm gonna use this palette here for that part, and I'm gonna be going with this color here. Okay. So now I'm gonna move on to the face, and first we're gonna be priming. This is the primer that I'm gonna use from Manhattan. The next step is I'm gonna be using this foundation from BH Cosmetics. We're done with the foundation. Next is I'm gonna be concealing the under eye. I'm gonna get my brush here, but I would recommend to use a sponge for this part. Okay, I recommend to use a sponge because it's much easier, much better. So I'm gonna get the powder that I used earlier, and I'm gonna try and set that concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna get my liquid liner and we're gonna shake it up a little bit, and we're gonna be making our wing eyeliner. So I'm gonna get our palette here, and I'm gonna go with the black, and we apply it on the waterline. So for the lips, I'm gonna go with this Stay Matte from Manhattan lipstick, and I chose this color because my eyes are a little bit dark. So I'm gonna go back with our palette here. I'm gonna get my mascara from Essence. So we have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much, guys. I would love to thank you so much for the love you have shown me from day one, from subscriber one, from 1 month, from 1 week. Guys, thank you so much. I don't take that for granted. I really do appreciate you, and I pray that may health and happiness follow and locate you in the new year, and I would love to see you guys all in the new year. Thank you so much for your support. Cheers. Cheers to the new beginnings. Cheers to the new chances that God is gonna give all of us, to make things right, to make everything right, to put God first, and to continue growing on this channel. If you are a YouTuber and you're watching this, may your channels continue to grow and grow and grow. I pray and you take that in the mighty name of Jesus, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I love you all. Bye.